If you want to take screenshot from computer and share link, then this video is for you. First open Chrome browser from your computer, then go to the search bar and type Lightshot. First click on link. Install and launch run command. Then look somewhere in the taskbar Lightshot icon has come. Once you press the PRT_SYSRQ button from your keyboard, you can take a screenshot or click the Lightshot icon from the taskbar. Then select as much space as you need. Notice that I am showing the usage of all the tools in one place. If you like the video, please like and subscribe EHTECHBD channel.